It's just like, this is about as fun as it gets.
All right, we're back. Our surface died for a second there. So we're making it do with what we have. But we're back.
Yeah, I just finished my salad.
Okay,
so.
let's see what Kim's got.
All right, so we added some cheese, some chickpeas, a little corn, pecans, and some of the peas and the beans that are cooked, and celery's in there.
You said that chicken. We didn't open that salmon, did we?
We did not.
Well, because we had mackerel.
We've got enough.
We
Oh,
do.
that's right.
Yeah. Anybody wants to make a final salad?
What do we got?
Well,
Did
did
what?
anybody
Did you?
get the egg?
I used an
Do
egg.
a fully cooked salad.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
So, and actually, that is a good point because I have several patients right now that are like, I absolutely cannot chug anything raw. I have one woman who's wrapping up, her fourth chemo treatment, and she doesn't have much of a gut lining, so we need to give her cooked stuff right now. So that was a question actually that came up because she and her husband were going on a road trip, and due to COVID and her being immunocompromised, they didn't want to stop anywhere. So she was like, what do I bring on the road that actually I can eat, that's not too junky? And they figured out they could get a couple of days worth of stuff in the cooler if they had the right stuff. So we're gonna make a buckwheat salad. We're gonna use a little bit of greens as a base, like that. So this is from my friend. She knows who she is if she's watching. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cooked. I mean, for someone that's got a really, really touchy gut, I would probably hold up the broccoli and just do the green beans, and the zucchinis are probably some of the most easily digested actually by someone with a really touchy gut. I'm gonna put buckwheat. The interesting thing about buckwheat, it's actually not a grain. It's not wheat. It's a seed in the rhubarb family. It's gluten-free, pretty tasty. So I just boiled this one with a little bit of broth and olive oil the other day. Let's see, what would my friend want? I bet you something like an egg and a little bit of chicken would feel really good for someone like her. And since I don't have a knife, I'm going to make do. I'm going to put boiled eggs, get some good protein. It looks like a caveman the way I'm doing it. And then I'm going to put a little chicken. Cooked chicken is going to be really easy to digest. It's going to be some complete protein for someone who's trying to get their blood count back up right now. So. And for someone like that, actually, raw seeds may be a little bit difficult to digest as well. So I'm just going to give her a little tapenade that's going to give it the olives and some good fats for energy and a little bit of flavor. And for good measure, I'm going to add a little bit of dried garlic. So that would be a complete meal salad, fully cooked for someone who has some dietary needs of kind of a touchy stomach right now and things that need to be easy to digest. So really, I mean, there's really not there's not a meal you cannot build in a salad. You can make them meet everyone's nutritional needs. Their food allergies, raw versus cooked, taste preference, and so there's really a lot of things you can do. Thank you everyone who's helped, the videographer, the master battery charger, the assistant there, and those of you who have joined us. I hope this has been helpful. I hope that it's helping take away the mystery or the fear about trying this out. Get nothing to lose, but a few crazy containers on a table someplace, and you may find out you like it, and you may find out it's easy, and you may find out that it helps you stay on track with your health and your nutritional goals for this year. So, unless any comments from the gallery before we wrap this up?
I don't think there's any emails.
Oh, very good. So we didn't get any emails. For some of you who have questions, you can contact us a few different ways. You can go on the website and there's a contact us form that gets us directly through the general email. It takes sometimes a couple of days to respond to non-urgent emails, but we will get back to you. And we don't have a spam folder on that one, so we will get all of the emails. You can use, if you're watching us on Facebook Live, you can also send us a message through the Facebook page. Those we monitor usually every other day, and we'll respond to that as well. For those of you who want the chart, it is on the website. There's a button somewhere on the front
It's
page.
called Build Your Salad.
Build Your Salad, you can download it. It's in a Word format, I believe. And for some reason you're having a hard time accessing this, just contact us through the contact us button on the website, or if you know the email from whatever reason, you send us an email, or you send us a message on Facebook, and we'll email you the document in question. So have a happy, healthy, warm rest of the evening, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Be healthy.
And if you'd got any tips and you learned anything, post your salad and tag us in it. We want to see those mighty salads.
You know what? Send a photo. Post a photo on the Facebook page of your salad. We'd like to see what you're building, because you know we have a limited. No matter how broad we are, we still have a limited repertoire of our own salad, and so we're always looking to make this bigger and bigger.
Yes.
And bigger. So we want to see your salad. It's probably the strangest thing I've said in a long time, but we do want to see your salad.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a nice night.